Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll be introducing all there is to know for a beginner to start learning to trade futures on TradingView. In this video, I'll be covering 4 basic pieces of information that anyone who started off using TradingView will need to know. I have separated them into 4 components, which are first, how to get data. This is the most important thing because without data, you can't really look at the charts. Second is how to set up the layouts in TradingView. Third is one of the very useful features of TradingView, which is indicators. There are lots of indicators in TradingView, and you can select them to help you out in your trading. And the last one is trading itself, how you can execute trade in TradingView. So it's basically like this. First, you get the data. Then once you have the data, you set out how you want your data to appear on your screen and how you want the chart to appear on your screen. Once you have the chart ready, you can add in indicators to help you judge and analyze your charts. And once you have the indication, then you can start trading from it. Are you ready? Then let's go. The first step is to get data. There are a few ways to obtain data. You can either get it from TradingView itself, or you can use a third party such as your own broker or another party like a futures prop firm, which is essentially a type of broker. To get data from TradingView, you need to subscribe to it because for US futures market, TradingView provides the data for the charts for free, but it is delayed. If you are using the free data, you'll see a D symbol around here on the right side of the title, which means delayed. This indicates that the chart is delayed by 15 minutes, if I remember correctly. If you are just starting off learning and not doing actual trades, it doesn't matter and you can continue on using the data. However, once you begin actual trading and need to keep track of real market performance, you will require real-time data to make informed decisions. To get data from TradingView itself, go to your profile and select Account and Billing. Once in the account billing, you can subscribe to the market data from there, which is this. The prices will be in your local currency. Alternatively, you can get data from your brokerage by subscribing to market data through them or by signing up for a prop firm account. To access the data, go to the trading panel, so open it and select the account needed. For example, I have AMP and Interactive Brokers here as my personal brokerage accounts, and I am using Tradovet as my prop firm account. To access the data, I simply click on Tradovet over here, enter my login details, and the market data will automatically flow in. Next on the list is layouts and settings. This is the basic chart that came off fresh from TradingView. If you want to adjust it, you can either go here to adjust the settings, or if you want, you can also right click and go to the settings. Here, there is all the symbols, status lines, scales and line, canvas, trading, and events. Go through them and adjust the settings to fit your need. Next is this is the symbol search. If I want to adjust the symbol for the charts that I'm looking at, I just need to type it over here and search. Like the view I'm looking now is the E-mini S&P 500 futures. If I want to trade the Nasdaq instead, I can search for NQ. And this is the NQ that's the Nasdaq 100 futures. I can select this and it will show me the chart for Nasdaq. I can change it to the different times that I want, which is over here. And over here are the drawing tools. There's a lot of drawing tools provided by TradingView. So if let's say I open one of them, and if you see here, there is a orange star over here. So this horizontal line is one of the drawing tools that I use often on a daily basis. So I had them favorite and it will show up in this tool over here. Like let's say if I highlight gray and it will appear gray on this selection. You can go through all the tools that Tradingview provides to you. Some YouTubers have a dual screen, which can be easily obtained. If you look at here, select this, there's a lot of different layouts you can choose, provided you have a large enough monitor to accommodate all the different views. Let's say if I want a split view, I can select this and it will be showing two views. There's a left hand side and a right hand side. If I want to change it, I can go over here and type the symbol that I want to change it to, or I can go over here as I have saved it in the previous watch list. How you save it in the watch list is you go over here, you can click and add and select the watch list. Let's say for this, I select yes, and now I have the S&P 500 on my left hand side and the Nasdaq 100 on my right hand side. But if you can see, if I move my S&P 500 on the left, Nasdaq 100 does not change on the right. If I want them to be aligned together, I can go back to this layout over here and I can select the sync in layout. Let's say I want interval, time, and that range. So now, if I move my S&P 500 chart, then my Nasdaq 100 chart will move aligned as well, in sync as well. If I move it from a 5-minute time frame to a 15-minute time frame, they will both change as well. The third on the list of the things that I want to cover is the indicator. Tradingview has a lot of indicator. And if you can think of it, someone would have converted it to an indicator over here. If you want to search for the indicator, we can go over here and search. Like let's say if I want to look for ICT, I just need to type for ICT. And there's a lot of different indicators with the word ICT in them. Okay. So these are the list of the indicators that I collected and favorited over the years. Let's go with something from Luxalgo, as they tend to do quite very good quality indicator. All right. So these are the indicators from Luxalgo. If you can see here, I only have this particular indicator in my left hand side and not on the right hand side. If I would like to copy it over to my right hand side, this is how I should proceed with it. I can either go over here and add this indicator to the entire layout, or I can just copy and paste. Control C, Control V. And sometimes you might have a few indicators that are overlapping. So like let's say I have a breaker block here, but if I have another indicator showing me with a larger screen that overlap this entire thing, and I want this particular red breaker block to show up, how I should do is I can go here, I can adjust the visual order by bringing it to front or sending it to the back. Or I can also go to the object tree over here and rearrange the order. The last thing I would like to cover in this beginner tutorial is the trading itself, which is my favorite part. To take a trade in TradingView, there are a few options. The first one is by buying and selling through the buttons themselves. If you look here, there is a red button and a blue button representing a sell and market order and a buy and market order. So in order to show this, I'll just go to here and select paper trading. Right, you see that here now the colors are in solid color. Can select here and click a buy. Oops, it's off trading, so I can't show it to you. But let's say if I wanted to buy or sell at the market price quickly, I can just click on this button. And to select the quantity, I can select here and adjust it by going up or down. Or maybe I can even just type it directly. Okay. And then the next option is if you look at here, I have a plus sign over here and a plus sign over here if I scroll it to this right hand side. But if I click on this plus sign, I can say there is a sell or a buy order. Let's say if I just click a sell order, it came up with a sell limit over here. So this is a very fast way to order. The next way to take order is, if you look at here, there's a trade panel. If you click on it, pop up the trade panel itself. You can either go with a market order, limit order, or stop order. Let's say if I want a limit order, I can select the price I want to select. Let's say I want to sell at 50.40. Type this 50.40, and maybe I want to take profit and a stop loss. Okay. Yeah, let's say I'm assuming I'm okay with this. I can just click buy. So this is a buy limit, and the take profit is over here, and the stop loss is over here. Or if I want to go to the DOM, I can also select here as well, and I can choose the price that I want over here. Okay. The last type of order that I actually prefer the most is by using the long and short position, which I have it as favorite over here, but you can get it by going over here. So like let's say if looking at this chart, I am favoring the short side. So I want to have a short position. I'll click this short first. And let's say I'm assuming I want to have an order over here. And my stop loss will be over here. And my take profit is at this discount PDRA. Right. So this is your typical risk to reward tool on TradingView. But if I want to convert it to an order, I can just right click it, create limit order, and it will pop up this trade panel, and I just click sell. And you'll see that I have the sell order and I take profit and stop loss automatically created. You can change the parameters that you want. Like let's say if you want to risk $150, you just have to select this and type it. And the next time this short position will remember that you're only risking $150 each trade and will remember as such. That covers everything for me. I hope you learned something from it, and if you do, give this video a like and subscribe. I am trying to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.